Downloading data from Stripe is a straightforward process that allows you to access your financial information, customer data, and more. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Data Export section. Once logged in, look for the Data or Reports section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to find options related to data export. Step 3. Choose the type of data to download. Select the specific type of data you want to download, such as transactions, customers, or payouts. This will help you narrow down your export to the relevant information. Step 4. Set the date range. Specify the date range for the data you want to download. This allows you to filter the information to a particular time frame, making it easier to analyze. Step 5. Download the data. After setting the parameters, click on the Export or Download button. Your data will be compiled and made available for download, usually in a CSV format. By following these steps, you can easily download the data you need from Stripe for your records or analysis.